Only Tuesdays and Thursdays in the office, huh? I don't see any absenteeism now.
Thanks to the hybrid model, Vineet.
Yeah, I too consider her cheese hybrid yaar. Next week I'm going to buy a new car.
Oh,
Thanks.
okay. Since you guys are really interested in hybrid, what if I tell you, beyond work and vehicles, there's one more thing which you can proudly own, that is of hybrid.
Really? What's that?
What about hybrid homes? So hybrid homes se yaad aaya, Ishita. You were looking for a house, right?
Yes, I am. But what's this hybrid home thing?
She's looking for some dreamland. I don't think so she's going to get it in any IT corridor anywhere. She'll have to go to some outskirts for sure.
Not really, Prerna. The hybrid home that I'm talking about is right next to the IT corridor. What if I say Nallaganda?
Nallagandla? You must be crazy. It's one of the areas that's highly in demand. No home in Nallagandla can fulfill my demands.
Yes, none except one. I think you missed checking out on the hybrid homes of Nallaganda, 33 West by Vortex.
But what are hybrid homes though? I mean, I've seen vanilla homes, not a hybrid home. There's no character, nothing to excite you.
Moreover, highly populated and overcrowded, man.
Correct.
लेकिन hybrid homes ऐसा नहीं है. They give you the best of both worlds. The hybrid homes that I'm talking about is one of a kind in Nallaganda. They offer you the rare exclusivity of just 2 towers with vibrant community yet low density.
Low density feels like a blessing nowadays, man. But even if it's just 2 towers, I doubt there's any space in the ground floor to walk around.
Yeah, I was about to get to that. This project in Nallaganda not only has traffic-free podiums, but also podium amenities. And it features a 20 feet tall podium with beautiful landscapes and activity areas too. But remember guys, these are hybrid homes. Not just a podium, but podium amenities too.
विनीत, लगता है तुम कुछ सपना देख रहे हो क्यों?
Yeah, Umi. It sounds too good to be true. And you know how these places are like beehives? And the parking situation too, it's like very messed up. It's like almost playing musical chairs. Pehle mein.
In fact, I crashed my car last week. Yaar. Such a pathetic situation over there.
But guys, it not only has a humongous parking space, it also has a built-in charged EV point for every unit.
So, Prerna, I think we can be neighbors, huh? I'm gonna buy a flat there.
Anyways, Vineet, I'm really liking the property, but tell me something. I'm just concerned about the balconies, yeah?
Arey yaar, no need to think twice about that. Anyway, you're gonna see only your neighbor from the balcony. That's for sure.
That's the reason why this place is perfect for her. यहाँ पे you won't see the neighbors because the towers are not facing each other. They are in a T shape.
Wow.
तो आपकी खुद की 3 private balconies होंगे.
Wow.
Oh my god. I'm too excited to move in, yeah?
But how about the looks and amenities?
उसका तो सोचना भी मत guys. The building looks very fresh and exciting. It not only has signature design for those towers, but also glass railings for balconies and facade lighting.
Glass balconies are usually provided only for larger homes, right?
Vertex is offering all facilities like low density, podium amenities, signature design, and etc. in this project. Moreover, this is at the heart of Nallaganda. And I bet you cannot find these kinds of facilities in any other project in Nallaganda.
Yeah, और amenities का क्या? Like gym, pool, and something for the kids?
It has a sophisticated clubhouse with ultra-modern design.
Wow.
Super nice.
And most importantly, Nallaganda is closer to so many amazing schools, right?
बस और मत बताओ please. इतना ही imagine करके मजा आ गया.
But imagine क्यों ही करना है guys? If you all go there and experience it once ना, you won't want to leave. But that's the magic of...
The only hybrid homes in Nallagandla.
Live the new normal. Live the hybrid. 33 West by Vertex.